All right, so we've just finished talking about the loading module. I'll now lead us into the timing module, heading back to the shot, coming down to the loading and timing section, and then going to the timing design module here. So to start with, what I'll show you is that because we entered all non-electric detonators into the primers in our holes, we've got the non-electric timing toolbox up here. If we'd put electronic detonators in the holes, we'd be seeing the electronic toolbox up here. But for now, I'll go through the non-electric tools first. So for timing a non-electric shot, we'll start by adding an initiation point on our corner hole here. And then all we do is simply select the delay that we want from this list, from this drop-down list. So I'm going to say 17 millisecond delays across the control row, across the front row. Click on draw tires up here. You'll notice that around the cursor gets this circle. We'll click on the hole that we want to start connecting from, and then drag across the other holes. Done. Cool. So that's timed our front row, and you can see the blue color indicates it's 17 milliseconds, and each hole has the timing above it, the nominal timing above each hole. If we then want to time the back rows, I'll switch from still within the draw tires mode, switch to 42 millisecond delays, click and drag again down each echelon. And you can see that pretty simply we are timing each of the back row holes as well. Cool, and done. So from here, I can hit escape, or I can click on the draw tires again, and that'll get me out of draw mode. And I'll show you the ways that I could now edit this if I wanted to. So if I wanted to now change all of these back row tires to being a different delay time, I could select them all using the same control, click and drag technique as in the loading module. And then I can change this from this drop down, change to say 75 milliseconds, and hit the button change selected tires. And bang, you can see now they've turned red. That means that these are now 75 millisecond delays instead of the 42s that we had before.